Sophie. I got this new lunch bag with my Melody on it. See? I love my Melody. She's one of my favorite scenario characters. My mom liked my Melody too. So today, we're going to draw my Melody together. If you don't want to draw with us, all you need is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. Let's start it. First, let's draw my Melody's ears. This is the middle, right? If we move a little to the left, that's where her left ear is going to be. And then there, we're going to draw an upside down U. Make it long. That's her left ear. She usually has on a bow or a flower on her head, but I'm going to go with a bow. So right here, I'm going to draw a circle for the middle of the bow, or the center.
Okay.
We're going to draw something a lot like butterfly wings, but you could also call it a sideways heart without a bottom because it goes right into the circle.
Okay.
Like that. Same thing on the other side. And then a line coming out from the center.
Okay.
There. And then let's draw her other ear. So right on the edge of this part of the bow, I'm going to draw her other ear by drawing sort of like upside down J shape, and then go around.
Ooh.
Make it about as wide as this one.
Mine seems not very good shape.
It's okay, Mom. Try your best.
Thank you.
And then from here, we're going to go down.
Down.
There. Let's draw the rest of her head. So right here, we're going to draw a curved line.
Curved line.
And then curved line here.
Curved line on the side.
Make it longer.
Okay.
And make your best to make it as round as possible.
Okay.
And then connect it.
Okay. Then connect it.
There. She's kind of like wearing a hood, so her face is showing right here. Let's make a point right here to show how tall her face should be. And then here we're going to draw a curved line for an oval. Try not to make it look like a square. And same thing on the other side.
Okay.
And then let's draw her eyes. So here we're going to draw an oval. And then the other side we're going to draw an oval.
No highlight?
Nope.
Okay.
We're going to color them in all the way. And then right in the middle, we're going to draw another oval for her nose.
Oh, okay.
And beneath it, we're going to draw a small smile.
Oh.
And then in the middle, like right underneath this nose and smile, we're going to draw an upside down V.
Okay, V.
Yep.
All right.
This is going to be the flap of, like, for her hood.
Okay.
Right here, we're going to draw a slanting line that goes a little more than a little longer than this one.
Okay.
And then draw a line that goes up and connects into this part of the V.
Okay.
Same thing on the other side.
And the other side.
Try to make them even.
Okay.
Okay. Let's draw the rest of her body. So right here in the middle of the flap here, we're going to draw a curved line, not too curved.
Okay.
And then here we're going to draw the same thing. Let's make her holding a heart. So right here, I'm going to draw 2 points to make it to make sure the heart isn't one side huge and the other side tiny.
Okay.
Here we're going to draw a curved line.
That's good method.
Yes. And connect right in here.
Okay.
There! You did it!
Yeah.
Let's draw a design to the heart. I'm going to draw a bumpy line around it from my design, like the frilly kinds. But you can draw another heart outside it. But I want to stop right there where it meets this one. You know why? Because then we're going to draw her arm holding the heart.
Oh, okay.
So right here we're going to draw a curved line, kind of like a J, and then draw another line that curves right into it. So it's like she's holding it. And then draw another J on the other side. J shape. There. And then we can finish the heart, the frilliest part, that is. There. You did great. It kind of looks like a lion's mane. Mine too. Yeah. And then right here, we're going to draw this part of the body going down a bit.
Okay.
And then right beneath the heart in the middle, we're going to draw a curved line for her belly area.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And then right from it, we're going to draw a straight line.
In the middle?
Yes.
Okay.
And then here we're going to draw the lines. Draw a little longer.
Longer line.
And then connect right into it.
Oh.
And then we're going to draw right into it on the other side too. There. Let's finish the heart by writing the words love.
Okay.
Ah.
Love.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's draw some hearts coming from her. So here, I'm going to draw a huge heart here. It's just randomly putting a heart here, a heart there, a heart everywhere.
Decoration?
Yes. La la la. Draw as many as you like, Mom.
Okay.
Wow, that is a lot of hearts. I think that's enough hearts. Now, we're done drawing our My Melody. It's time to color our My Melody. But before we do, I'm going to tell you what colors we're going to use. For the hood, including her ears, and the flaps of the hood, the heart here that she's holding, and some of the other hearts, I'm going to color it red.
Good.
For this frilly part of the heart, and some of the other hearts that I did not color red, I'm going to color it pink. For the bow, I'm going to color it blue, and for her nose, I'm going to color it yellow. But feel free to use any color you want for My Melody's outfit.
Okay.
Now we can color. Let's start with the hood. We're done coloring our My Melodies. Mom, I like your purple outfit. It looks great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If you could make this ear a tiny bit thinner, it would be perfect.
That's true.
Yeah. I love My Melody. She's so cute. Both my mom and I finished drawing our My Melodies. Don't they look great? They look almost exactly like the My Melody on my lunch bag. How do your My Melodies turn out? I bet they look adorable. Thank you for watching. Bye!